Get a feel for the 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.